Yay! You've made it to the end of part number 1, almost to the end. So now we are shifting our gears. Instead of just a pure theory with a little bit of projects for illustration and for examples, I will give you just pure projects. So they're tutorials with building from scratch or mostly from scratch, bigger, more interesting, more real-life projects. There's no BS in these projects. We are just going for the most interesting, most practical things. So let's start with this chapter number 9. The project is called Menu. First of all, we're gonna build scaffolding. We're gonna build the project structure. So we will use JSX, we will use proper structure of the project, we will create the folders, etc, etc. First we will build it without JSX, then we will build in everything, we will reformat it, we will migrate it to the JSX. So that will give you a good apples to apples comparison, JSX versus no JSX. I will give you a little bit of homework, how you can extend this project, and then I will give you a link how you can submit this project to my GitHub repo, to the GitHub repo for this project, so I can take a look at that project and other people can take a look at your work as well. The source code for the project, it's on GitHub as well. Just don't copy paste it, use it as a reference. And the homework, of course, do the homework, the practice, the more you practice. Just reading, just listening is not enough, you need to practice. So that's it, the menu projects, we're gonna be using iteration, we're gonna be creating new components, a couple of them, we will be compiling the JSX. It's pretty basic, but it's very important for you to understand and get the practice of creating the React apps and React widgets from scratch. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next project.